Hello, Chef here with another beef roast recipe. I want to show you what I've got here in the package and a few steps to make it taste a lot better. So follow along, let's check it out here. Whoa, look at that. That is a Black Angus beef chuck roast. Looking really, really good. Beautiful piece of meat. This one's about 2.5 pounds. Follow along. Fresh garlic. I've got about 5 cloves here. I'd like to get it into the beef, and to do that we're going to do a couple of tricks here. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to use Thor's mallet, and we're going to give it just a little smash like this. Makes it a lot easier to peel, and I like to make things easier. We want to work smarter and not harder, and to do that we have a lot of little tricks. I'm going to share some of them with you. So once we peel the garlic like this, peels very easy. Penetrate it into the beef and be able to stuff it a little bit better. Okay, just like that. This is ready to go now. All right, we're going to poke some holes in the meat in very systematic places. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I've got some green peppercorns in brine. Oh yeah. All the way around. I'll be right back to show you the finished roast. Okay, the garlic and the peppercorns are in. Now we're moving to the next step. I like to get rid of this paper, and I like to put this roast in a stainless steel mixing bowl. Much more organized, less mess going on. Okay, fresh ground black pepper. You knew that was coming. We're going to put some pepper on both sides of this roast. Oh yeah, a generous amount. Okay, pink Himalayan sea salt. I like it. Has some nutrients and vitamins in there, and it adds a lot of flavor to the meat. Yeah, just like that. Next, we're gonna put 2 generous tablespoons herbes de Provence, and we're gonna work it in on both sides. Okay, that's looking good right there. Looking good right there. Wow. Next ingredient, Worcestershire sauce. Yeah, Worcestershire sauce, if you don't know, is a secret recipe that was created, I believe in England, hundreds of years ago. There's a lot of ingredients. It adds a ton of flavor to beef. So I want to put about 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce. Again, both sides. Keep it going on both sides there. Yep. Okay, just like that. Like that. Next ingredient, liquid smoke. It adds a nice little smoky taste, and because of that, I like it. Okay, next ingredient, hot sauce. Just a touch. Let's call this 10 drops. Chianti Classico, some red wine. How much? Use your judgment. I'm going to put about 2 ounces of red wine. Just like that. Yeah. Oh, look at that nice looking roast. Wow, the Jambus Cucina Elegante, handcrafted with the finest American hardwoods, food service grade stainless steel,
The Elegante features 1.5-inch thick butcher block, available in several sizes and with several options. Call your sponsor and save money. Ask for a discount. Select Hard Rock Maple is the chef's choice. Choose from several sizes. With a juice groove, without the juice groove, reversible, charcuterie board, solid walnut, solid cherry. Wow, the Jambus Cucina Elegante, handcrafted with the finest American hardwoods, food service grade stainless steel. The Elegante features 1.5-inch thick butcher block, available in several sizes and with several options. Call your sponsor and save money. Ask for a discount. Blocks. Buy the best the first time.
It's
Save
gonna be
money.
good. Oh, on a side note, some of my videos are touching on knife safety, so I suggest, especially for the kids, you get them cooking, get the chef's stainless steel glove. With this glove on, you have full protection, no cuts, no issues. I like it, it works, and wow, it protects. That's what it's all about, safety. Yeah, made in America, made in USA, only at your sponsor right there. Yeah, check it out. Get cooking. Here's a thicker one. This is end grain rock maple. The two treatments recommended are designed for working professional chefs' kitchens. There's a reason. Mystery oil is a food-safe, ultra-pure grade mineral oil. I really like it. Yeah, it's good stuff. And that's where I get it right there. It's used in combination normally with the board cream. Board cream is a natural moisturizer which seals out the elements, and it's primarily beeswax. I get it right there. Beeswax, let's see. Unbleached beeswax and food grade mineral oil. So these are the two products that we use, and we apply them monthly, generously, and you're going to learn more about that in just a moment. So the mystery oil is applied in a circular motion. So you use an applicator or a plastic bag, work it in a circular motion, do this monthly, and then let it dry overnight is preferred, and you can repeat. After it dries, you warm this in a bowl of water and apply just a few small dabs, and wow, it's going to be good. That is a safe cutting board. Every knife should be paired with a butcher block throughout the kitchen.
proper maintenance should be applied every month.
The finished loaves. I love butcher block. Yeah, this is end grain maple. You can see it's ready for some more oil. This is edge grain cherry. It's been oiled once and then it's been sealed at the factory. It's really, really nice. I like it. And this one here, this is edge grain maple. So different looks and different sizes, different thicknesses. Edge grain has certain applications, end grain has certain applications. They're all on sale at your sponsor right there. In stock and quick shipping, you're gonna love it. By the way, this is an authorized dealer with over 50 years of combined experience in butcher block. So I suggest you shop with the experts. Get the best the first time. That's my motto. Get the best the first time. To apply mystery oil. Give it a shake. A little bit of beeswax and mineral oil, some other good stuff in here. I like it. First application, just like this. Swirl motion. Yeah. Okay, once you got the swirl motion down, plastic bag. Why? Because it's recyclable and it's not flammable. I would not use cloth. It'll absorb too much and it becomes flammable. Oh, look at that block. Really, really nice. You can see all the hard work has paid off just with the look and the color. Oh, yeah. If you need one of these blocks, contact your sponsor. If you need the butcher block treatment, okay, I'm in the kitchen. I've got this fresh basil's looking really, really nice there. I've got a razor sharp knife. You're wondering just how sharp this is, right? Yeah. Always good to start with a very sharp knife.